Hi friends, welcome to Ravi Smart Guru. First of all, I want to appreciate you for showing interest to watch this video, and I can assure you that this step will be the first step towards your successful career in accounts and finance. When it comes to this particular job training program in accounts and finance, it mainly consists of two objectives. There are mainly two objectives about this particular course, this particular training program. The main objective is to create confidence among the BCom, MBA and MCom students to face accounts and finance job interviews. And another major objective of this particular program is to understand these students about the practical work environments of accounts and finance. Practical work environment means generally what will be expected from an accounts and finance candidate. So what will be asking regarding your technical questions, what technical questions they will be asking. So generally when they are calling for the interview for an accounting or finance job, what will be expected from you? Because you learn different things in your academics, like in your MBA or in your BCom or in your MCom, but you didn't learn how we need to apply your working knowledge into the practical, apply your academic knowledge into the practical working environment. So that's why this particular training program is mainly designed to create confidence among the students, and next is to make students to understand the importance of practical work and finance work environment. So when it comes to the contents of this particular training program, so first we'll be having a discussion on how to face the self-introduction round. So this self-introduction round is a major round because all job interviews starts with this particular self-introduction round. So how you need to project yourself in the self-introduction round is the first concept we'll be discussing in this particular training program. And the second concept is HR round, how a student need to face the HR round. So what questions will be asking in this particular HR round, how you need to answer. So this is the thing we'll be discussing in the second topic. And when it comes to the third topic, this is a very important topic. In this particular third topic, we'll be having a discussion on what are the different accounting and finance questions which will be asked in the job interviews and how you need to give the answers, because you learn the different meaning of the different you learn the different meanings, and you know the different terms also, but you don't know how to frame your answer. Because suppose example, I want to say with an example to you. Suppose if somebody asks about the accounting, so 95% of the students, they will be giving the definition of accounting. They are not expecting any definition. So you need to give your answer in a much framed way. Means your answer should be unique and your answer should be genuine and natural. So that's why in this particular third concept we will be having a discussion what are the different questions they will be asking in accounts and finance and how you need to answer. So this is about the third. And the fourth thing which we will be discussing is about the MS Excel, because accountant and finance candidate definitely they will be asking about the questions in MS Excel, because you need to know MS Excel. So we will be having a discussion what questions they will be asking in MS Excel and how you need to answer. And the next thing is Tally, because definitely as a accountant, if you want to go for an accounting job, definitely you need to know the accounting package. So that's why we will be having a discussion on the accounting package. So mainly we will be concentrating on Tally ARP 9, what questions they will be asking and how you need to answer. And I can say that you will be learning the total Tally ARP 9 in this particular fourth module. And the next thing we will be having, and the major important thing is you need to know, as when you go for an accounting job, definitely the interview person will be expecting that you will be knowing, you will be having the knowledge on how to file ETDS, you will be having the knowledge on taxation, TDS, VAT, service tax, how to file it, how to file online, how to file offline. So these are the things we will be discussing under this particular training program for BCom and MBA. Now how it is useful? If you watch this video, how it is useful to you, this is a major thing. So how it is useful means, definitely I can assure you, or I can 100% say that if you watch this particular video, definitely you can attend any job interview with confidence. See, confidence is something which is very important to attend in the job interviews. So the difference between a successful candidate and unsuccessful candidate is their confidence. The person who have confidence will be projecting himself in a better way in the interviews. So the major advantage of this particular learning program is you will be attending the job interviews with confidence, and the second useful thing is you will be getting the regular job alerts of accounts and finance to your mail. This is the second objective, and the major important thing is you will be learning this particular accounting package in a very simplified manner. And the next thing, you will be having a discussion on MS Excel, and you will be learning the different concepts of ETDs, VAT, sales tax, service tax, and all these things. So these are the advantages if you attend this particular video training program. So if you want to live like a smart person, first you need to think like a smart person. So we look forward in the next phase of this particular learning program.